This is Tony Poulos reporting from MWC at Barcelona. I'm here today with Nikhil Jain, who is the COO and I think co-founder of EliteCore.
Yes.
Nikhil, you are actively involved in a very hot area at the moment, and that's this load on spectrum that we're finding the operators suffering from.
Right.
And you're concentrating your efforts on data offload.
Right.
Would you give me some background on exactly how you're going about that?
So if you see, as an EliteCore, we are working since last 12 years on the data services. And in last 2 years, what we identify is the spectrum need and the data, what is flowing in the spectrum. There's a vast difference. If you talk about the growing economy, right, like India, people say it's only the spectrum will go by 5%, and the data is growing by 150%. And if you see, there is a vast gap, and from where the spectrum will come. We identified this problem 1 year before and did a lot of research on it. And today what we see is, and after the research, 60% people still use data from the in-house or the public hotspot. And by 2015, 67% will be of the video content. If you compare from today, it's only 6%. So what we see that Wi-Fi offload will really give a good comfort in the bottom line to the operator.
How does Wi-Fi offload actually work, and what is your solution components made of?
If you see people or the operator, what the question is why Wi-Fi offload will work, because right now it was not managed. When you are talking to the CTOs and the CIOs, if the end-to-end Wi-Fi offload can be managed, it can be a good solution to the spectrum needs or requirement. If you talk about the Wi-Fi offload, we offer the SDP, we offer a captive portal, we offer integration with HLR and INR, which is EAP SIM based, and we offer the client application. So it's a seamless transfer from the public hotspot to the 3G.
So any existing operator could take on your solution to actually, assist in the offload?
Yes, if you talk about, we already done the 15 to 16 POC, proof of concept, and we are doing the 2 commercial launch also in India, which are the very big operator, Aircel and Airtel.
Spectrum is a big issue in India, but it's also a big issue around the world. Are you seeing take-up of this interesting solution in other countries as well?
We got very good traction into Middle East and Asia Pac. Out of 15, we are doing 5 POC in Southeast Asia and 2 in Middle East.
Will data offload be required for even LTE networks as well? Do you see that as an extension for their usage as well?
If you see, data offload is a complement to LTE, WiMAX or GSM. This is complementing femtocell also.
So it looks to me like you might have a very busy future coming up.
Answer is yes, because if you see, in last 6 months, we are really busy just answering this Wi-Fi offload, in spite of we have so many solutions.
How are you finding this event here in Barcelona, by the way?
It's very interesting because if you see, most of the operators are our global, and here we got the chance to meet the global team. In our Wi-Fi offload solution also, in India we are working people like Ericsson, Cisco, Huawei and all. Here we got the chance to meet the global team and get some good engagement.
Looks like a very bright future for EliteCore. I wish you the best of luck in the future.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Thank you.